So hello, we are back again to our with new videos and new strategies. So here we go. Today we do binary trading with OTC trade because to everyone know today is Sunday. So let's see what happened there. So first we open all on trade, then second we analyze, and third we trade. So all on trade is very best option for trading. So let's see. So here we go. So first we do analyze chart, then second we trade. Okay, first we open odd USD OTC trade. So let's see, $1,000. So oh, we miss point. So let's see. Okay, up. Okay, let's see. So here we go for sell. First $1,000, here we go sell. Then second $1,000, here we go sell. 2,000 trade are active. Okay, okay, let's see. If you like my strategies, so please like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more videos. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, $1,820 profit. 3, 2, 1. Again $820 profit. So here we go. We do $11,000. We do $4,000 trade, but market gone downward. Boom. So let's see what happened there. We active our 9, 10 trades. So here we go in a big loss or big profit. So please don't try this. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Oh, like a $15,000 profit. So it's a very big profit, bro. It's a very huge profit. So that's why I call you SNR is very important and price action is very important for binary trading. So here we go again. So let's see. So my internet is very shit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. It's a very big profit. So $21,000 profit. So it's a real big profit. So that's a like, bro. Please give me a like. Leave a like, guys. So that's the last trade today. So let's see what happened. Oh no. I thought we are in big loss. Okay. So that's why reason is small trade and stay in game. So see you guys soon again. If you like my strategies, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. See you soon, guys.